Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Kia Rio S Hatch, stock reference number 4278. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 11th month 2016. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. The left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a 6-speed manual gear shift, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.